Malaysia Biomass Industry Confederation (MBIC) was formed in the year 2002. Yeah, and it was launched by Yang Besar Negeri Sembilan. And it is actually a national level industry association for the biomass industry, representing the biomass SME in Malaysia and representing 4 different major industries. First one, we talk about bioenergy, or we so-called renewable energy industry. Second one, we talk about, second category is actually bioagriculture industry. Then we talk about compost, biofertilizer, animal feed and aqua feed. And third category will be eco-product industry. Then we talk about bioengineering product, packaging product, and also product like charcoal, activated carbon, and all this can be classified under eco-product industry. And last category is a green chemical industry, which is also an industry highly promoted by Malaysia government. And basically we are talking about extracting green chemical from oil palm biomass or other Malaysia biomass industry. I want to compliment the biomass entrepreneur. We are dealing with feedstock management as well as technology innovation. Because we are talking about turning biomass into energy, a so-called waste product, with very low value in terms of ringgit and cent. We can actually create a lot of green millionaires made from the biomass business. Our government have actually created a very vibrant industry by creating a lot of business-friendly incentive to nurture and develop Malaysia green entrepreneurs. They are interested to have a technology transfer program working with Malaysia SME, and to bring our product overseas and globally. Because when we talk about biomass product, we actually can fetch very good price when we export our biomass product to overseas. Malaysia as a role model, as a biomass hub, we also can actually export our technology either on our own or working together with foreign players to export our technology, our know-how, our services to ASEAN countries. We also hope to work with a leading industry R&D association in Malaysia like SIRI, and also mostly to commercialize our R&D. We have hundreds of entrepreneurs behind MBIC, green entrepreneurs from the 4 major sectors: bioenergy, bioagriculture, eco-product and green chemical.
Our company actually is the engineering company and mainly focus onto the biomass power plants. Currently we have projects situated in Vietnam, Cambodia, Philippines and Indonesia. And recently we just started these constructions of our plant in Malaysia as well. And the plant, which is actually a 3 megawatt power plant, will be ready by August this year. What we want is to unlock all these waste and convert it into more values. For instance, like power, green energies, and secondly is biofertilizers. And also you can also do it like we have one company called Cayman Technologies, Sunjan Berhad, where we can convert the biomass into aggregates for lightweight construction materials. For the biomass power plant, our target is to aim onto the rural area, which is actually suburbs whereby they do not have any electricities at all. We want to implement the green energy whereby it's sustainable, at the same time it's clean. So what we intend for is that the advanced technologies is the key to success of the renewable energy and clean technologies.
MTS Fibromed is the pioneer in Malaysia for producing biomass product for erosion control. We are a provider for bioengineering solution where we use this circuit of paddy straw into a one-stop center where we produce products for erosion control, stabilization, reinforcement and greening. Not only we are the pioneer in Asia, but we are also the largest producer of erosion control blanket in Asia. There's 3 main substrates that we use from biomass or agricultural waste. There is paddy straw, palm fiber and coconut fiber. And our product has been exported to more than 15 countries regionally. We hope that the consultants, the government agencies will support us as an SME give more emphasis to local made product and support the local industries.
We are making use of the biomass, especially rice husk, to produce non-hazardous amorphous silica ash, so that our concrete will be low carbon and is much more better because it's water resistant and is able to be crackless. The whole idea is to achieve lower carbon emission. We are tapping the ash, the non-hazardous amorphous silica ash, to enhance the properties of concrete, and we turn this concrete into something final, that is a road and also buildings, in order to cater for the need and improve the quality of life of people.
I'm the Secretary General of the Malaysian Biomass Industries Confederation, or MBIC. I'm also the Executive Chairman of Waste Management Systems in Berhad. We actually represent the solid waste, organic fraction of solid waste in biomass, and we are the incoming operators of the first organic waste treatment facility in Malaysia. The idea is to take a problem like waste and to then treat it, but not only to treat it, but to create a product out of it. So what we're doing is that we're treating it in an anaerobic digester, harvesting the biogas, and then applying the biogas into the transportation sector. The emphasis is no longer about the treatment of waste, but more towards the creation of products to be returned to the market. So we have green energy and green products that are then applied to the economy.